You planning to sell your home? Here's a secret. Do a home inspection prior to listing and it will save you potentially tens of thousands of dollars, but also it's gonna keep you from getting punched in the stomach at the wrong time with some deal-breaking repairs. All right, so I wanna tell you a story of a client of ours. Recently, we listed a luxury house, several, I think it was 4,000 or 5,000 square feet on a single level, on an acre, beautiful home. We said, let's do a home inspection. You've lived here for 20 years. Everything is fine. I've taken great care of it. Now, the seller did take great care of it. However, we insisted on it. We paid for it. We discovered the roof was probably failing. It was going to be near the end of it. Now, there was no visible signs of the roof failing, but the home inspector just had enough data to say, we think this roof is failing. Here's why. We looked at it. So we went ahead and we were proactive. We got 2 quotes. Now, we have all the vendors out there from selling real estate for 20 years. So we went to our 2 best roofers. $19,000, $22,000. This is a big roof. Well, during the home inspection, we sold the home very quickly. Staged it, it was beautiful, did our marketing. The buyer said, we love the house, everything's great, but the roof is failing. Here is a quote for $52,000. And obviously, if you get that bill in the middle of a home inspection on a 7-figure home, it doesn't care how expensive the home is. That was alarming. Nobody wanted to hear that. Well, because we already had the data, we sent them those 2 quotes. We arranged them to get some financing with these roofers, and we only gave them $12,000 in a credit out of they're asking 52. We said, how about we give you 12 and we'll help you with this roofer and get it set up. So it was great for us to be ready. We knew what we were getting into. Highly, highly valuable. Here are the 3 reasons I tell people to get a home inspection. 1, there's no expensive surprises. The last time to find out your plumbing is bad, you have a roof leak, you have a foundation issue, is when you're in escrow and you've already started to make plans to move, or you're just at a vulnerable time to negotiate. So let's do it prior. That way we don't have any surprises. 2, it gives you a lot of negotiation power. This is going to be a certified pre-owned home. This has gone through a 42-point inspection. We're going to put a warranty on it. It shows the buyer that you're a very responsible seller, someone who probably takes care of this property. It's been well maintained because you were willing to do a home inspection and stand behind it with a warranty. And then 3, it is going to give you better returns and smarter spending. See, we offer a program where if you qualify and your home qualifies, we'll give you up to $10,000 for repairs and we get paid back at closing. No interest. It's just something we do to help out our clients. So if we do a home inspection, we know where to spend that money. Let's say you don't. You go, hey, let's put $10,000 into the kitchen and the bathrooms, and then the inspection comes along and you're putting in a new AC and you're doing a roof. Maybe we wouldn't have listed the home had we known it was that bad. True stories. I've had people not list because the home inspection revealed stuff they had no idea that was going on in their home. It was going to cost a lot of money. So it really didn't make sense for them to move because the equity was going to be eaten up by the repairs. So don't do that. Do it first. Do your home inspection. That way you know where to spend. So we just did one. $18,000 is what we ended up putting into the house, and she put in some. But we already have the inspection and we know what to set aside for some of those repairs that we're going to see. So if you're thinking of selling your home, don't risk costly surprises at the wrong time. Reach out today. I am offering a free home inspection to people that list with me. It's part of my package. If you list with me, I will do a free home inspection for you. We're going to get an expert out there and let's see what's going on. So click the link, subscribe to me, reach out to me, call me, text me, email me, and let's see what's going on with your house before you even think about selling it.